Good day, everyone, and welcome to Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad, and we will go quickly through my trading ideas. But before I do that, guys, always updated my FX book, and soon, if this trade that I'm running currently goes in profits, this account will have the highest balance since the actual since I made a deposit. So as you can see, we started on December. Now it's September. It's almost a full year, and basically today's was also very successful. And if this trade that I'm running goes in profit, then this will be the highest. Balance since the inception of the account. So basically, guys, let's see and sign up. Of course, always for these free webinars. And if you want to trade more with Camerla MACD, purchase the system because the price will surely go up, and we will also get a chance to join our Telegram channel. So now, before I start, have in mind that CFD and Forex is a leverage price and can result in losses that exceed your deposit. So those are not suitable for everyone. Please ensure that you fully understand the risks involved, as Forex trading is a risky activity. Okay. For all trading rules, please watch previous YouTube videos with clear rules and pause the screen if needed. Now, let's go to the actual trading ideas. We have first euro dollar. Okay, but before I actually go with euro dollar, I will actually show you dollar Swissy trade that I'm currently running, and the trade is currently 15 pips up. It was even more before the drop happened. Now it went down 16 pips, but nevertheless, I'm still leaving the trade running, and here we go. So my first trade, because I'm running it, actually will be the dollar Swissy. Okay, so the dollar Swissy trade, very clear. I think the price will go up. Okay, and this is basically what I have here. So euro dollar, the dollar Swissy is going up. This is my entry. I'm leaving the trade running, and if the price goes again like 30 pips in profits or something, I might scale out, put the rest to break even +1, and ride a free ride. Obviously, the price is going up here, but as I say, it's needed to close above weekly H3 and then proceed further. But because my entry was clear, actually my entry is 99.06. After some 30 pips, I might actually I might scale out and put the rest to break even. Now, regarding the GBP dollar actually should go up from judging from the charts. And I think this is also the signal here you see. And the original entry should have happened around 23.30. But because of this support, I think that there is a positional buy potential. So the entry on the GBP is, I will tell you right away, 24.26 to 16. Stop loss, okay, or 16 to 26. It's more like 24.16 to 26. Stop loss is 20. I would say stop loss here goes 23.50. 23.50. And the TP here is okay. I would go with 25. Maximum 25.50. 25.50. Then alternative sell. That is where actually I think pound will reject 25.50. Stop loss here goes to 25.90, and the target then would be 24.65. Okay, So this is for the GBP, but I think that buy position could be initiated, guys, if you're ready to go. I already made some profits with euro, Australian dollar, and now with the dollar Swiss I'm in, so my risk is already full. So I'm not actually trading this right now, but it can go up, guys. So if you're ready, you can join. Then dollar yen trade. Dollar yen trade, okay. Dollar yen, actually, we could see a buy, but the price should drop, so 107.60. This is the setup, the same one, but now actually it's 170, 107.60. Sorry, this is the buy trade, and the final target for the dollar yen is 108.50. Then the sell is 108.50. Stop loss is 108.90. And the TP is, okay, the TP is, okay, 108. This is hard because this is a counter trend. If it goes up, it won't be, I think, 108.10, and that's it. Not ideal risk to reward. Okay, now the Bitcoin. Okay, the Bitcoin. This could drop even further, and it's neutral. This is like this market is neutral now. It doesn't have any clear trend. This is shoulder, head, shoulder. So it's tricky. I would say it could go up from 10,000. So 10,000 is a buy level. Then 99. Okay, 100 pips is stop loss. Always, guys, include maximum 0.5 risk in this stop loss if you trade with the Bitcoin. And the 10,560 is the target. And then alternative sell is 1060. Then it's stop loss is here, sorry, 10,660. And the target for this is actually the rounded number. And finally, the gold. The gold, okay. Okay, you see my position here. I'm up here, and I want it more to the upside. If it goes in profits, the account will make a record high. I hope so. Let's see. Okay, and now the gold. So this is the only one that is left for today's analysis. Pretty much ranging market. So I expect the price to range in between weekly H3 and projected high. So 15.18 is a sell. 15.18 is a sell. 15.23 is a stop loss. And the target is actually, if it goes to 14.80, it's good to go long. So I think buy kicks in 14.80, 14.75, and 15.80. So this is it, guys, for this week's setups. So as I already told you, we are in a nice profit regarding Telegram channel and all these trading ideas. It goes quite well. Cameron maybe goes like 80% of success ratio, and I hope that it will continue. So I will roll the slides again. So dollar Swiss instead of euro dollar, GBP dollar, the Australian dollar, the dollar yen, the Bitcoin dollar, and the gold. I hope that you enjoyed these quick trading ideas, guys, and I wish you a safe trading. See you soon. Cheers.